Hello boys and girls, welcome back to today's lesson. Penguins love stars. This penguin here is looking for a star. Let's help them find one. So we'll put the penguin down in the corner and we'll add a star in. And the stars should be, oh, there's our penguin. We've already got him though, so let's keep going. Can we find a star anywhere? Anywhere? There they are. Let's add a star. And we'll put the star just over here. Or we might need to move it though, because let's put a background for the penguin. And penguins live in the ice, so I'm going right down to the bottom. Okay, let's leave the star. Well, it could be in the water, or maybe we'll put it where you can get it easily. Just up a little bit there. Okay, so your task today is to make something that looks like this with a penguin and a star, and then write the code for the penguin to get to the star. So let's start writing that. We need to click on the penguin, and we need a trigger. So when we start with the green flag, penguin needs to walk to the star or walk and jump. So I'm going to use a little trick to help me here. Firstly, let's get ready for our arrows. So I've got the arrows all there. Then secondly, let's put the grid on so we can count. And we can see the star is right here, which is just about, maybe in, let's say, this square here. We've got to count how many steps does our penguin have to take to get to that square. So the penguin's here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. And which arrow is going that way? It looks like this one. So 7 times. Now that's got a 1 at the bottom at the moment. So let's click on that. And then all the way over here we have our numbers. And who can find the number 7 first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aha! Let's test that and see how well that bit works. There's the green flag. He's right under the star. He just needs to go up a little bit. So, if we look from the top of his head, he'd need to go up one or two. So we could either have him jump up with this one, or we could have him walk up with this one. I think it might be fun to have him jump up for this one. I'm going to say jump. And let's take it back to the beginning with this button. Test it out. Yeah, he hit the star. So let's put it back and cover that. And that's it, you've hit the star. But if you want to add even more and make it super awesome, we could get the star to do something when he gets there. So if we go back to the star, and remember last time we learnt the bump trigger. So when the penguin bumps into the star will do something. Let's make it get bigger. And maybe it will say hello, or you found me. So let's record. You found me! And we'll put that one in. And now let's test our whole thing and see if it works. You found me! Awesome, it worked! And put it back to the start, and when I put it back to the star will get smaller again, I hope. Yeah. And we could try it again, and let's make the star get even bigger just so it really shows up. So that's 2. Let's make it maybe twice as big. So 2 times 2 is, yes, 4. Okay. Let's test it out. You found me! Fantastic. We got it. Okay, so your task is to help a penguin find a star. You must put a penguin and the star on your page and then write the code for the penguin to get there. So you'll need a trigger and the arrows. It might be tricky. Sometimes it might not quite get there and you might have to change what you've done. But remember, you've got your secret grid for counting. That's quite useful. Good luck, boys and girls. I look forward to seeing what you make on Seesaw. Until then, stay safe and stay connected.